Well, there's little doubt that Spain and Portugal are two of the 21st century's most formidable teams. Both ambitious, both obliged to win, both crammed with incredible talent, but only one can prevail. Well, colour and passion just oozing from the stands here. These fans love their football, and we're about to be dished up a feast of it. When these two meet, Jim, we know it is special.
Well, the calibre of players available to both teams makes this game a potential classic every time, Peter. OK, you may think the Spaniards have had the better of things in direct showdowns in recent big tournaments, but I can see very little difference in terms of relative strengths.
And as you can see, we've already started here. And the history of this fixture tells us always to expect the unexpected. It's Cristiano Ronaldo! Goal!
What a super start! A total shocker for the opponents. Talk about how to wrestle control. That's how you do it.
A momentary lapse, mercilessly exploited. They were absolutely lethal.
It's just sloppy to lose the ball like that, Peter. The ease which they were able to cut through them from there, that definitely doesn't have a good look about it.
Portugal penetrate first. It is a truly precious lead.
Oh, he's just loving that. Certainly gives you a very unique feeling. Tremendous.
Now it's Cristiano Ronaldo. Now it's Rafael Leao. And this is Bernardo Silva. And he's had a hit! Well, he should have done better, and he knows it.
Well, even for him, that may have been a touch ambitious.
That pass isn't the best. Pedro Neto, Cristiano Ronaldo, tries to get it clear. Nice bit of skill, and he's away. He's going for goal! It's loose, and there's a race for the ball. Oh, he's been caught on it here. He's gone for goal! And that should get the job done. He's tried one! That was superb goalkeeping.
Well, you get a sense, Peter, that he could almost get to anything today.
Lenormand gets across to intercept that. Now it's Morata. Can he latch onto this? He has found the way through. Hangs in across. Diogo Costa deals with that nice and simple. Rafael Leao goes on a run down the left wing. Now it's Morata, spread out to the left. Nico Williams receives it in a good position here. Shoots! Rafael Leao. Rodri. Can he get it through? And this is Ronaldo. He's through. It's one-on-one. Can he finish? Oh, terrific save from the keeper.
Cristiano Ronaldo is offering a wry smile there.
And we have our very first corner. Spain have the chance to go the other way. He's got away with one there.
Well, let that be a lesson to them. If they don't stay focused all the time, they're going to be made to pay.
Corner number 2 then. That has been knocked clear. Bruno Fernandes is onto this. Takes a shot! Goal! And look what it means to them. This is a position of genuine strength now. And that is a goal worthy of universal appreciation. Even the opposing fans have to recognise the quality there.
Well, it's one of those, Peter, when you've got to take your hat off and just say, too good.
Portugal are now luxuriating in a 2-goal lead.
The turning of the screw comes to mind, Peter. They've got them where they want them.
Pedro Neto. And it's Bernardo Silva over to the left. Now it's Rafael Leao. Pau Kubasi kept his eye on it, and he's there. Very nearly half an hour gone here. Now it's Cristiano Ronaldo. Now it's Pedro Neto. Well, that's a dangerous ball. Fabian Ruiz. Out to the left it goes. Pedro Neto. Oh, it's a nice idea, but the execution was lacking. Pedro Porro. And this is Ronaldo. Chance! That's another chance! Euphoria, utopia, and they are cavorting. And they're at it again in double quick time. And he's only too grateful to capitalise on the keeper's misfortune.
Well, it still had to be finished off, so well done for the goal scorer, but the keeper should have done a lot better.
And he's done it again. He's got his second. A case now of complete control.
This is wonderful front-footed football. The manager will be absolutely thrilled to see his team clicking in every department.
Rafael Leao. Portugal have scored 2 quick goals here. And he's managed to get free. Vitinha. Portugal heading towards the half-time break. The wind very much in their sails. Bernardo Silva. He's a sharp little ball here. And he shoots! A whisker away from making it 4.
He just didn't catch that one right, and he knows it.
Now it's Yamal. That has ended up in no man's land. We've got 5 minutes till half-time. And it's Ruiz. He's had a fair tumble under that challenge. Oh, that's a foul in a dangerous area. And he's going to have his name taken.
Well, I think the alternative was to stand there and do nothing while he tried to score, and obviously he's not going to allow that, Peter, is he?
Going for goal! And it's hit the woodwork and out! Bruno Fernandes. Looking for the run. Oh, well measured. And he's running through. Bruno Fernandes stood his ground strongly. Just eases him off the ball. Now it's Bruno Fernandes. Great work on the overlap. And the goalkeeper's got a good palm to that. And he's taking no chances there.
A lot of space here, a real opportunity.
Big chance! Williams! And it's in! And they are right back within touch! Perfect placement, the one place the keeper couldn't reach.
He had the whole picture in his head, Peter. He didn't even look at the goalkeeper.
And the whistle goes for half-time.
Well, Peter, I think the score is a fair reflection of what we've witnessed so far, and that being good movement in both midfield and indeed up front. If those players, I think, can carry on where they left off after the break, they should impose themselves even more, and probably only one result coming here.
Well, it's been a proper derby so far, no doubt about that. Intense and utterly captivating. Well, that has been a goal-blessed half. It is 3-1. And we're already back up and running after half-time. Yamal going face-to-face with his great rival. Spain disappointing in the end there. They lack urgency. Now it's Pedro Neto. He's got away. Shapes to shoot! And kept out by the most elastic of saves.
Really looked sharp there, didn't he? That's very well played.
That's ruffled a few feathers, but well dealt with. Well, the idea was a good one. The execution of it, not quite so.
Well, the pass wasn't good enough, and he knows it.
Oh, what has happened here? Danger averted for now. He's found a way through. Bernardo Silva. And it's Bruno Fernandes. Now it's Pedro Neto. And this is Ronaldo. And he's had it nicked away.
Cristiano Ronaldo really needed to concentrate on protecting the ball. Then again, he was being very closely marshalled.
Fabian Ruiz. Vitinha. That's a shade optimistic. And that pass is somewhat less than ideal.
Well, I think the opposition saw that pass coming a mile off, and it wasn't the best decision.
Oh, and they really should have been made to pay.
You lucky boy, you lucky boy. Giving the ball away like that is usually punished.
Corner number 3 coming up. Bullish header! Crossbar comes to the rescue. Pedri, Fabian Ruiz. Neither of these two want to come off second best. And the assistant referee rightly gives him offside. Bernardo Silva. They're trying everything to subdue him here.
Yeah, as you'd expect, Peter, that defence ought to know when to step up or drop off. And they finally made a decision to get tighter.
Bruno Fernandes. Rafael Leao. Played out to the left flank. And it's Bruno Fernandes. And this is Ronaldo. Yamal. Now it's Morata. Bernardo Silva. Bruno Fernandes. That's a nicely shaped ball. Shot a goal! Loose ball now, and there's a chase on to retrieve it. Nicely spread. Can he spark a counter here? Pass somewhat off target. But that has not gone well. And it's Bruno Fernandes. And that is expertly dealt with.
This is the time you need that pace.
Nico Williams. Now, can they get him away? Fabian Ruiz. It's a throw-in. Spain can now introduce the first of their substitutes. Another throw-in. And it's Pedri. Closing in on the last quarter of an hour. Oh, super find. Now it's Rafael Leao. Rafael Leao! He scores! And the lead is extended still further. They forced the error and extracted the maximum punishment.
Welcome to the reality of modern football, Peter. You get pressed from the front and you have no time on the ball whatsoever. You can't afford to switch off for a moment.
Spain making consecutive changes here.
Well, this could be a bit of a nightmare scenario for the defence, as you're going to be facing a very willing runner now, especially one that likes to make those runs beyond the defensive line.
It's starting to look like a done deal now. Merino. Good running, strong and purposeful. The ball has bounced loose now. Now it's Ferran Torres. Great defending, strong and determined. Vitinha. Morata puts his foot on the gas. He's on the finish! And that has forced the very best out of the keeper.
Well, the defence are in a good position to get behind the ball and let them just try from range.
And the pass is intercepted. Ambitious ball here. Bernardo Silva has shifted it to the flank. Rafael Leao looking to run onto it. Well, quality clearly deserted him at the crucial moment.
He made it look a bit predictable.
Mingueza could try cutting inside here. Terrific header! Foul and a free kick in a very dangerous area. And he is going into that little black book. Now this is a potential flashpoint and the referee has his hands full. Up he goes! Final touch was poor. 5 minutes left on the clock. In with the challenge. Truthfully, it was hard to see any better outcome there. He's had it taken off him. Grimaldo. Merino. Now it's Morata.
That's good play from him.
Bruno Fernandes.
They've got to make this nice and quick.
Rafael Leao. And this is Ronaldo. Distributed tidily. Now it's Cristiano Ronaldo. Plays it through. Added time going up here. It's 3 minutes. Bernardo Silva. Played out towards the right wing. Knocks it into space. And it's Bernardo Silva. Now it's Rafael Leao. Chance for a shot! They want to be quick to recover this. And that is the last effort of the game. Portugal pretty much in utopia, imposing themselves in the manner they wanted right from the start. A show all about one side's remorselessness, ruthlessness, relentlessness. Cristiano Ronaldo.